Okay, I noticed that I didn't do the thing right, but okay, I didn't know I didn't do the thing right, but I'm about to take that shower. So anyway, uh 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 uh. uh. So how y'all doing? Hello, Kendall. We got some thunder. We can't do this. But bro, you see how fast that cloud moving?
Storm coming.
I cannot bring my headphones out. The moment I bring those boys out, it's a wrap. And I pay for those.
It's most likely not even gonna be rain, but more of a lightning thunder thing.
Oh, that's 30 FPS though. Alright, go ahead and change that thing also. Okay, but hold up, don't change it, bro. We getting lit.
It's too early.
It's not. Oh, you see your boy? I just stopped. But just take a picture like that. Almost.
Kill yourself.
Oh,
Bro, you should have saw it, bro. I was in this bitch gone. I was the first sleep out of us three.
I can't. I'm not.
Because Darius was here when I went to sleep. Darius was sitting in that chair.
Oh, I was dead first.
No,
I already knew.
was
I already
first.
knew that was going to happen last night. I was dead in the
Look at the
bed.
bridge. You can just barely see it.
Hey, hold up. Oh,
I'm not tripping that much.
okay, nah,
It's
wait.
raining. Damn, look, you can see the raindrops. Bro, they better cancel some shit. We too far. It's raining and visibility just dropped half.
Dude, you can't even see the bridge no more.
Yeah, it just dropped.
Oh, we better get away from this.
The rooftop, listen, the rooftops are steaming. That's
What?
how hot it was yesterday. The rooftops are steaming. You can't see it on the camera, but you can see it with your human eye.
But they already cooled off. All those big old raindrops. Bro, don't know like a giant a lightning bolt gonna hit one of these buildings and then lightning it's like gonna like make like a lightning wave effect down to the ground. Oh, and like do like explosion or something. See, I like
It'd
sweet.
be funny if we had a major blackout and we couldn't do the presentation. I'd be so damn happy. I'd be nigga what you talking about. I just lay that. I'm gonna do exactly this. I'm gonna be like,
Bro, wait a minute, what is that? Bro, is that steam falling coming off the building?
yeah.
Because of the heat? Like I don't think it's popping up on camera, it's like focusing on the glass, like retarded. Like you see, like, do this and then like okay, no, it's not working. It doesn't want to. It want to do its own thing. But it's a wrap. It's not. It's raining. It's raining literally all day, and we gotta go. We gotta go downstairs. So yesterday we coded a website. I felt like it shit was trash compared to other people's. But I feel like, but we did go beyond our abilities because none of us knew CSS, and we still got that much done. The one I had. I had. What the?
Are you fucking kidding me?
Bro,
Are you kidding?
Nah, a sweatshirt gonna do nothing.
I'm still putting this bitch on.
A
Hey,
sweatshirt.
look, it's a bus down there.
Where?
You can see it.
Oh, and the reflection, yeah. We about to take that mug. Hold up. Shoot, we ain't about to walk.
I think that's what we are doing. Walking.
Karina, please.
Come on. Let's start heading downstairs.
Now she already know if he complain, you already know Lorraine and Karina is gonna bring us some black person from the past that we don't that got no recollection of. Oh my goodness!
Tim, calm down. That's right.
That rain about to bust through. Pause.
Normal day at the office.
That's not no normal day. Yesterday was a normal day. This is some abnormal.
Yesterday was not normal because we went out to eat.
This fella.
Hey, I know what I'm getting next time.
I cannot wear.
That's why I said throw on some fucking pants.
I'm not gonna wear pants because it's gonna be wet even more.
Give me the camera.
No, bitch fella.
Bro,
no, bitch fella.
put it on yourself.
No,
Because look how dumb you look.
No,
how the fuck you gonna wear shorts and dress shoes?
I'm about to pull this. Mother off.
All right, phone, wallet. All right, I got the works. Ready? You know, gotta drink from Starbucks.
I'm drinking literally black coffee. That's what it tastes like.
Gotta drink from Starbucks.
Man, sponsor me, about to get in trouble. What you talking about?
Sure. Look, no copyrights. Come on, 57 after, 58 at that. Lights out. Big fella.
All right, that's a long scene break. Now the rain bad up, but it ain't gonna do nothing.
No. You going all the way.
Yeah, we gotta go downstairs, so I'll see y'all when we see some people. So YouTube, my name is Cameron. Welcome back to not recording for about 3 days.
You know.
Okay, first it was crazy. It was crazy.
The whole week was crazy. What?
We did the Bean Boozled, which I'm gonna do when I get back for y'all.
Oh, for sure.
And of course the competition.
You know what?
Of course we didn't win.
Skip all that other mess, bro. It's my birthday. You want to turn out 15? You know what it is. We in this. Hey, follow me on YouTube, Kenneth Bullock, bro. Don't ever forget it. Just know, 4K quality coming soon.
But anyways, like, here goes my instructor.
I'm not your instructor.
I was looking at you, big fella.
So I just pinged Lorraine and let her know that the transportation hasn't arrived yet.
Well, our transportation not coming. We about to walk home today.
You can get slapped before
I will kill everyone.
Throw this away.
My instructor's leaving. You wanna?
It's gonna record.
I'm gonna edit it. Gonna follow her. But here goes our team captain, Mariana. Big fella.
Little fella. See this height difference, young one?
You like with the same height because I got that camera angle a certain way.
Do this look the same height? Ask her. Do this look
On
the same height?
On the camera angle, I got a certain way, so I made it look like the same height.
Short. Just a little.
I ain't about to show it, big fella. But yeah, the competition, we didn't win, but she got second place in the IP showcase. But we got like 5th. But we a new team, so we don't. Yeah. That's all I gotta say. Yeah. But she's actually joining our team and 2 other people.
You're like, I have half my face.
I can't see it. Like, it's going on YouTube. You about to get looked at about 50 times on YouTube.
I don't give you my consent. That's legal.
What?
You're not putting me on your YouTube. So that's okay.
You're not ugly. You gonna be good.
No, I just don't want to be on your YouTube.
Why? You think I got weird subscribers? You think I got weird subscribers or something? I ain't gonna lie, they weird, but they ain't rude. But I actually gonna vlog a lot more now till we get home. But right now we about to get on transportation, and I see you when we do that. Alright, so what you doing?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I was just reading this text. Well, I don't know. Whatever.
Oh, okay. But I'm recording. I never recorded in public, so I don't know.
Oh, okay. What'd you get?
I got. You see your boy? I got these fries, that pop, and the chicken nugget. Hold on. Okay, y'all have a little bit of peek. Okay, hold on. Let's peek game at that. What? Butter crispy chicken. Right. Okay, I see you. What?
Are you recording?
I'm still trying to figure out.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Tim, get out of my face. I'm not playing with you.
Do you have a potato desk setup you're trying to upgrade? trying to get into gaming but don't know anything better besides your mom's laptop? And I got the answer for you. Razer, a company who sells computer peripherals like mice and keyboards for your dream desk setup. They also sell laptops that offer the right price for the performance you're actually getting. But wait, sucker, how the freak you going to game without any games? Sucker, Razer got that too. Razer got the deals for Razer got deals for any game you could think of. Well, the ones that matter. You can find the links to all the products that were shown in the description below. Over here. So he got that frap. And then he got that buttermilk chicken. He already smashed it. Literally, he smashed it.
No, it was already smashed when I got it. Oh.
They
threw it together. We put it in there.
The
But they didn't
McDonald's.
smash it
I
down.
call that the McDonald's.
Okay, when I
Only
grabbed it,
McDonald's do that.
I
And he
did
got the
this.
fries. What you got? Hey, you turned out the whole bag. So how is it, Miss Thumb? Taking a long time. This ain't a food review. Well, it kind of
not
is.
what I anticipated, but it's still pretty good.
Can you describe what you taste? The
The bread, most likely.
like,
A little bit of chicken, a little bit of everything.
is it soft? Is that soft bread? Or is it that bread that been sitting out under the sun lamp?
The bread soft, but the chicken.
Choice number 2.
If the chicken like crispy on the outside,
Very crunchy.
it but soft on the inside though. Like how that dressing game, like is it like too much? Like it's like
I didn't put any
It's
dressing
perfect.
on mine. It's dry.
Mine's is perfect.
alright. Because the one I had yesterday, that tomato, it helped a little bit, but then like when you get to the skin, it left the skin on there, and the skin like you got all you had was tomato skin in your mouth. It kind of threw me off a little bit. But hold on, the whole point I'm over here is for you to taste the McDonald's frappe.
Shoot, I might be hooked on Starbucks frappe.
This fella, take a sip of McDonald's, Starbucks or McDonald's. What is your?
He wants to know which one is better.
I would say Starbucks.
Yeah, I like that Starbucks better.
There's got a little more coffee taste to it.
You didn't get to that caramel game. And Starbucks had that caramel spin twirl in the all the way to the bottom too. Even though that was more expensive. What's good? Bro. I don't know what y'all thinking. But fella, where have you been? I've been in Cincinnati, like I said, in the live stream. Y'all watched the live stream. Y'all wouldn't knew this. But some of y'all, this what happens when you don't watch my videos. But